Hello, traders. So we are trading the 30-minute orb. And this was brought to you by futures trader, one and done trader. So yes, this is a indicator. So it shows there where the entry should be one tick above or one tick below the 30-minute orb. So let's see. Looks like it's going to be favoring up here, which is going to be good because we're above the VWAP, right? So I don't want to be going long and we're below the VWAP. I would not even take that trade. I wouldn't even consider that trade. But since we're above the VWAP, yes, this long would go. So right now I have a limit order. I'm just going to bring this down once we're close to, we have around a little over 13 minutes left, because this may still create a higher high, right? So you can see where we're at here. We're between the +1 and +2 deviation. And most likely it's going to try to break out here into this, we have a resistance or we have a liquidity zone up here. So let's see. So that's the plan. So let's see. I don't know if I'm going to go here for 2 contracts or not. I might have to. This isn't a 50K account, so probably go one E-mini. So here, that's a pullback. You see. Okay, we got 9:48, close to 11 minutes. 11 minutes left. So there's one of the strategies that I trade. It's a one and done trade. Well, I kind of twist the, so I know where this is right now. We're above the, the +2 here. So if it does reach up here, that'd be good. So basically I think it's for 3 points. That's what our profit target is. Might create another high here. Let's see. So I'm trading this 30-minute orb on one account, right? That's basically focused on the 30-minute orb on one evaluation account right now. If I pass this using just the orb, then I'll be trading that on my PA. Right here, this white line, that, you know what that is? That's basically the value area high right now, based on Globex volume profile, not the New York session, which is right here. So this value area high is based on the opening of Globex, the Globex session. So here's the VWAP, and we have also the 233 EMA right here. So since price is above both of them, so we really our bias is to the upside. Here's the 55 EMA right now. Might test this VWAP. You know what? It may test coming down, which I will not take. Because why? Because we're above the VWAP. Most likely it's going to bounce up above. It may bounce off the VWAP here. So let's see what's going to happen. We got 8 minutes left. Let's see if it does indeed bounce off the 55 here, the 55 EMA. A lot of people use the 50. I use the 55. So where's our low here? So we broke the BOS here. We are right here, I think. Yeah. Created higher high up here. Now the low, and look at this, the low is down here. So we're creating another low, higher low. So if it creates a higher low here, we may have to create a higher high. What setting I have with this? Just want to make sure. The structure, this one, 12. Let's make this maybe 6. Okay. Yeah, this is better. Broke that. Okay. Yep. Why is this? Yeah. No, I have to look at this. Okay, how much time we have here? 6 minutes. 8. Name size 15. Distance. Why is that so far away? It's unbelievable. Let me get that closer. Because I don't know where that's going. If it's going to go short here, I'm not going to be taking that. Because most likely this is going to bounce off. So I want to see you go break up there. Why is this so far away? That's for sure. Market structure. It's way up there. Labels distance should be around 8. That's the first time I've seen that. 5, 6. Or see if that's gonna work. What swing do I have here? There's so many swings on here. There's one. Okay, take this one out. That's one. There. It's nice and clean. Better. So here we go. 3 minutes. I'm going to put this here just in case. So I don't think it's going to try to break that. Yep. No, this is bad news. We have a resistance level there as well. Now we have a swing, strong resistance there. 2 minutes before top of the hour. Again, I'm not gonna take a break to the downside. So that's right at the VWAP. I'm going to go with the bias, not against the bias. Okay, we got 1 minute. So I don't think it's going to create another high. So that's going to be the breakout right there. That's going to be tough. You have a lot of resistance there, a lot of liquidity zones there. But we'll just have to go through it. There it is, 10 o'clock. And we're right by the +1 deviation. Let's see if it's going to break here. Trying to get some momentum here. Let's see if it generates enough momentum. Because like I said, there's a resistance there, supply and demand there. I mean, that's supply, or have it backwards. I just know it's that's resistance, right? Let's see if that's a liquidity pool or not. Looks like here we are. You just have to pump up. You can see how it bounced off that. So let's see if it has enough momentum to break that. Oh man, this is going to be up and down. There you go. Second chance. You're going to try it again. Hopefully, we get enough. Let's see if we get enough momentum here. I'm getting higher lows, but not quite higher highs. Yeah, it's going down. I'm not gonna take a short here. It's gonna go short. I'm just let it go. Looks like it can try. Let's see. It's bouncing off the value area high. Again, let's see if it has enough momentum. We may end up losing this trade. I don't think the momentum is there. That's why I'm only doing one contract. It goes down. So again, we're in a range. I don't know when this is going to break. You know what? I'm going to give it until it has the 1030. So by that time, it's an hour. If it's just trading in this range, you might as well not trade the mark because it's really just in a tight range. If you can see, you can take a buy here, but I'll do that on micros right now because that's what it's doing. Just going in that range, you can see. Just take a buy there and get a couple points. And testing the VWAP. Here we go with the bottom there. I don't trust that at all. That's why I don't want to take the short. You know what? It looks like it's testing those lows and highs. I see. I'm just going to take this
Order
out
canceled.
just in case. Sell limit.
Order submitted.
Let's see if it goes down. Let's see. Because it looks like we have some momentum coming down. Let's see if it's going to be strong enough. Again, we have the 110. Oh, man. This is the 3. Okay, so that I don't want to take this.
Order canceled.
Why? Because we do have the, see this white line there? That's a 233. Look how it bounces off. See that? I don't want to take that risk. So here we go. Let's see. It actually, yeah, it would have hit that trade. Well, we would have gotten it. I think it has to be down here. Let's see how many points that is. Nope, not yet. It has to come down right down here. Yeah, right on there. And I think it's going to hit it. Right here. It would have hit the 2.5. So it would have hit the 2.5. See how it goes by. But again, I didn't want to take that risk. So this may try to come back down and test it again. Let's see this. Delete. I don't know. It's bouncing. Again, here's a lot of confluence there coming down. It's too late. Yeah, you have a lot of here's the retest of it. Most likely it's gonna hit it now. Stop would have been on this tour right there. Yep, would have hit it. So I didn't take it because it was against wall. That was already below the VWAP. By the time we got there, right here, see this? It was already below the VWAP. Should have taken it. That's what happens when you just be looking at it, looking at too much. Yeah, time to walk. That wasn't worth it. That wasn't even worth looking at that. Yep, would have gotten it. Yep, would have gotten it. See that? You can't just go back in there again. So blew that chance. Once it would hit here, we see now we have this. Before it wasn't okay. So now we're below the VWAP. That would have been a good trade. Sorry, that's what happens when you think too much. Would have had the AI. Would have taken that. Would have won. Stop would have been there. You would have gotten it. Right? So no excuse there. Now it's bouncing off here. So I'm gonna wait for this until maybe the 1 hour, because, or 30. We have around 20 minutes, because most likely, yeah, that's what I'll wait. Anyways, let's look at my other one that I trade. I'm on a PA right now, 25K PA. Let me see here. There's that thing.
Order
It's going up
filled.
there. Let's see this.
Stop filled.
Of course, it would come back down, right? So let's try that again.
Order
Right
filled.
there, coming down. This one I'd probably take. Again, this is against the rules, but
Order filled.
if you're going to be coming to testing there, it's going to probably go back further down. Test up low. I have 2 contracts here. Continue to get past 112. That's the furthest it went down. It was 112, I believe. There, 137. Let's go. Let's say 87. Let's go. We may get 300 here. 287. Let's go.
Target
There we
filled.
go. That's what we wanted. I ended up making 175. That's it. So my twist is basically, if you know the VWAP wave, right? So what we did here, as you can see here, we didn't quite get, it's finally going to get down here to -1. It played around here because we've been up here by the +1. So it was just playing around right here, +1. And this is the -1. So that's what it usually does, and there it is. So that was part of the VWAP. That's the VWAP play. Bouncing off, see this? This is basically your VWAP bounce back to the downside. So that's my that's my twist for the 30-minute. See that? You would have got the 30-minute, but on this one I played it a little twist in there. Finally reached the -1. So I hit 175 right there. I did trade 2 contracts. I started off with 1. Could have had 2. Would have had the first one there, anyways. I'll take that profit. Again, I'll be trading this this account here just strictly for the orb. Okay, guys. Okay, so that's for that account. So let's see the other account that I trade, right? So let's see if I can get that here. So now this is a 25K account. It's totally different than my trade here. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Get the chart. Yeah, this is it. I'm already up 189 in this one, so you can see. Just take this out. So I'm done with that chart. Done with this chart. Let me see if this other one. Yeah, look at this. So how much time do we have? We got 2 minutes. Let's see what's going to break this. Now it does break. It's going to get down here. So I'd rather trade on my rainbows right now. So there it is. So we do have several buy things here. We're at the -2. I'm looking for this to pull back at least before I take a trade. Right? Broke there. We have a lower low, right? I know why this is saying a higher high. There should be a lower high based on this. I want to see the pullback. So this might be the low. I mean, what happened? It just froze on. See, this is the pullback. Now what happens here? There's the reversal bar, right? I want to see it completed first. Then we'd be more aggressive here to take this. Yeah, I don't want to be aggressive. It may bounce back up. See, the 1.25 is down here. So I'd probably, if this comes down, we have a reversal bar, I'll probably be aggressive enough to take that. Basically, this is 2 micro contracts. I'm going to see there's one. I want to see this complete that red to make sure. Get some confirmation, conviction. One, two.
Order filled.
I'll take that conviction right there. That's enough for me. So right there, this is going to be 1.25. See 1 to 2 here, 1.5. Where do we get here? Right here. Oops. Get this one. At least 1.5. Let's get down here. Down here. I just want to get profit, this first profit first. Because it didn't break this zone here.
Target filled.
There we go. So we can go further down here. Break. Just below the day right there. See, it broke that low right there by one tick. Now, is that liquidity right here? Let's try to go up. Let's see. There's really no momentum to bring it up. What is the countdown here? What happened to my count?
Order filled.
That one I'm going to take. 1.25 is there. I don't know what happened to my time. Let me see here. So I want to see my time here. No wonder I don't have that ninja wrinkle. So you can see 1750. We should hit that first target. And it's playing around. Ninja wrinkle bar status. Okay, countdown. Text enabled. Visual. Stick. Okay. Oops. Should not have that there. Where is this showing? Should be to the bottom, right? So now it's going up. Look at this. I was going to try and test that up there. Yeah, I don't know where that is. Where the countdown is. Let me see. That's what. There's another one I'm playing. Just playing around right now. I don't know. Yeah, it's just playing around. Trying to get some traders shaking, including me. But you know what? I'm just playing the odds right now. So let's see, bounces off the 55 here. It's bouncing off the -1 right there, -1 deviation. But also, that's also the low, the IB low. So it really didn't go follow through there. Let's see, it's going to come down now. There we go, come on. Taking its time here. We had the reversal, which is good. That's good potential. So once you have that reversal, you just have to have that follow through. And it's having a hard time following through. See, look at that. And you know, those are basically algos. Those levels right there, just that level right there, that's the minus 1.5 deviation. Bouncing off from that 1.5 deviation. Let's see if they can test that minus 1 deviation again right there. Let's see if they're gonna have a reversal up. There it is. Reversal up. Let's see if they're gonna play this game going back down. That's how they want to play with the traders. I wonder what happened to my counter. This is tick based. I'm sorry. That's why. So it's based showing the range here. Sorry. Because I was looking for the counter. So there's the range. You see that? Of this wrinkle. So let's see if we can get a reversal back down. So you have a blue, white, and then blue back down. What's our bias right now? Our bias is to the downside. Why? How do I know? Well, here's the 233, and we also there's the VWAP. So we're prices below both. So our bias is to the downside. There are now prices right here, trying to bounce off the 55 EMA. Just taking its time. Maybe it might start moving at the top of the hour, which is going to be 11. So right now, there's really nothing going on. As long as they don't stop me out. I'll probably do this up there. And see, look at this. They're in between. Will they continue going up, or will they do a reversal bar to the downside here? Yeah. That's one channel. I hate this when they do this. It's 215. They're going to test this 110 again. And if they do that, I'm going to be out here. So, yeah. Let's see. I'm going to bring it down.
Order canceled.
Oh, why did I cancel that? Oh, man. I hate that when they do that. So here's the VWAP, right? Do I want to risk further where they might test that there? I accidentally canceled my here, so I'm going to see what they're going to do here. 233, 30. Okay. Hopefully they bring it down from this point on. I accidentally took out one of my stops. Ugh. Go back to that stop right there. Yeah, sometimes if they want, I wonder if they see really. This is just weird. Well, this is a sim account, so they can't. I think they don't know where people are going to have their thing here. So here, there's going to be a bounce off of the VWAP. Let's see. That's what I'm counting on. If not, we're already up down close to 300. Let's see. I'm counting on the VWAP bounce here. We have the 233 there as well as the VWAP. When we get below this value area low, I'll probably skim in. Already have three micros here. Do a DCA. I'm going to start doing a DCA here once I see a reversal. What are you guys doing here? You know what? This is going to be it. Now watch when I close it, it's going to come down. That's what usually happens. It's going to reverse the bar to the downside. It's really trying to push it past there. You have the VWAP there. You guys are just going to be okay. Let's see what's going to get down from there. Reverse the bar, come on. Bouncing out the POC. Come on, guys. Where are all the sellers at? I can't believe what these guys are doing. You know what? Screw these guys. Okay, there's the, what is that? Is that the, oh, that's the mid. What is that? Close to 300. Yeah, man. Close to 400. There it is. 400. That hit my goal. So let me close this out. Watch me close it out and goes down. Right. There's no sign of coming down right now. There's no sellers. Oh, there's my, okay, so let's see. It's going to create the higher high up here. That's what it's trying to do. You guys suck. There it is. Trying to bounce. Oh, come on.
Stop filled.
Oh, there it is. Oh, there's still, okay. I gotta close
Order
that because they have
filled.
that. Came down 263. Oh, shit. I don't even know what to do here right here. Bouncing off the -2 right down there, which I should have known. They're trying to tease me with that breakout to the bottom, which is not the case. So, and from here, most likely it's going to try to get to the top there. Up here. Try and get a pullback. That's the value area high. Let's see what's going to happen here at the VWAP. Maybe just bounce off here. And then continue going back up. So I'll assume here. Yep, make it down here.
Order filled. Target filled.
But that finally get that target there. So here's the plus one deviation. We got down here the minus two. So that's what I'm assuming to get up here. Bouncing off the VWAP. This is your VWAP bounce, but there's really no momentum right now. You can see no momentum.
Order filled.
So if this is going to continue, it has to create a higher high. Basically, the major high is right here. So we have a lower low, lower high there. See that? So we have a higher right there. We have a lower high. So this is going to create a lower low now. It's going to come down here somewhere. There it is. Hopefully it bounces off here.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
So we hit the ultimate extension on the VWAP extension right there. You see it pulls back. Where do I want to end? Again, here's the 1.25 extension of this IB. I don't know if it's going to reach it. Let's see. I have one contract left. I just want to see how I'm doing on this one. About $44 only. That's it. I don't want to be scaling here just yet. Okay, so now we have the pullback here. So what we want to do is extend this now because it's pulling back, right? So we got to the top here. So the extension would be probably here. But I like that 1.25. That looks good. So we reach this one. So let's go to the second wave. That's the second wave.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Well, where's that going?
Target filled.
Wow, that was delayed or what? There it is, 350. That was delayed. What you want to call it? Being hit the target. Where's it going to go? Up here? No, 1.25. So I hit my target. Just wondering if this is delayed. 350 out of nowhere.
Order filled. Target filled.
Oh. I broke that one. Yeah, I don't know where this is going. Can't even read this because it's delayed. Trying to figure out where this is.
Order filled.
I'm just fortunate to hit my targets. Let's see. Get up there again. There we go. Come on. Man, it's getting, you can see how erratic it is. I just want to make sure that it's not going to be hitting my, right there's my, Come on, hit it. Hit the target. Get up to 60. 30. Come on. How far will we get up there? 51. Come on. See how erratic that is? 57. Oh, man, get up to 57 and goes all the way down. You see that? Come on, hit that. 20, hit that. Go another way. 61. It needs to go another way. Where is it going? You know what? I gotta be looking at a different thing here because I can't even see where this is. To tell you the truth. Oh my gosh. Where are we here? 54. It's trying to get up there. See if we can get back up there. $160. 30. Come on. There we go. 97. There we go. 80s, 70s. 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. There we go. Come on. Let's cut it to hit profit here. Come on, guys, get some profit in there. Get back up. There's no momentum. Let's see. 7. There we go. 51. One 60. Come on. Look how erratic that is. There's no push up. And just stagnant around that level. I see I was selling 60. Wow. Really weak. You have another push up here. See, look how weak that is. Oh, it was faster down than as it goes up. What is going on here? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Get past that hump. I'll be done because it's not going anywhere. I don't see any aggressive move to the upside. See, it's trying to struggle to get up there. 3. So you see a big burst up to the upside. I don't. 13. Yeah, see, it's playing around right there. So we can get up to there and I'll close it out. 30, 20. 30, 60, 70, okay. Get up there again. 57, 60, 70, 80, 90. 19, that 105 right there.
Order filled.
And I'll close that out. There it is, 470. I'll take that. Now I'm going to watch it go up. So right now, I don't know where it is. It's just really... It looks like it's going to get up there. At least hit at 1.25. That was my goal. See, it's probably hit the extension on there. Oh, man, I should have gotten there. That would have been another 500. I would have hit 500. Anyhow, I don't want to be greedy. I'm at 470 for the day on this 25K account. Look at that. Now it's going up. You would have known, right? Like what I would have known. Okay, guys, so I'm done. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Achieve my goal for this 25K. 5 days to get over the, I think the buffer is 1100. If I can make a 3,000 profit here, I'd be able to withdraw 1,500. Every 5 days, get that buffer. You know, if I can get that 3,000 or even 2,000, I'd be happy. I want to get maybe, 3,000. So this is my first day. If I average, let me see, 5, that'd be 2,000. Oh, that'd be wrong short. That's fine. I think even when you withdraw, it's going to be wrong. If I can get 3,000, I'll be happy. In fact, I was able to get 3,000 in 3 days. I think that's what it was. No, what is that? No, I'm sorry. 1,500 is the goal. All right. Is a target. Yeah. So we get maybe 2,000. I'd be happy. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully you guys are green. Stay safe and God bless. Take care, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.